Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and today we got Don't Go to the Supermarket Hungry. Here we go. Triple M was in the mood, or Alicia wanted some soup, so Triple M had to go to the supermarket. We just survived or got through Hurricane Ian, and we went to the supermarket, and while we were there, I saw a Gorgonzola. Actually, what I saw was the sausage. I saw a pack of, all by itself, a pack of ground sausage, mild Italian sausage. I said, what are we gonna make? I don't know what we're gonna make, but we're gonna figure it out. So I got peas. Review. I'm gonna make like a Gorgonzola cream sauce penne of pasta. We'll put a name in the video so you guys will see the name there. But what do we need for this wonderful sauce, right? This scratch-made sauce. We got some frozen peas, Gorgonzola cheese, a pound of Italian mild sausage, 1 shallot. That was fun shopping for. A cup of heavy cream, Italian grinder seasoning, black pepper, and salt. Gonna get my cooktop going, very light olive oil, and get that, sorry the noise, it's a convection cooktop. I'll get that going and I'm gonna brown off this pound of sausage. Just gonna brown it off and break up the sausage as we go. Crumble it all up. Take a look at the color we're after. See that? Just browning off. Now we'll start adding a few more ingredients. First, I'll start with the shallots. Get some color on that. You can already smell the sausage. And because they're, the shallots about jumping right off. Because they're frozen, I'm gonna go ahead and add the peas. And coming along. Smells good, no?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, la cebolla.
The shallots. All right, Michael's Kitchen.
Well, garlic. I was about to say that. Where is the garlic?
Some garlic in there really quick. So this entire time I've had this on high. Now I'm gonna take this down to simmer. Then I'm gonna start working on my cheese sauce. This is literally done. Pork is colored. Green beans are not frozen anymore, so that portion's done. We'll start adding our cheeses and our cream. Cream goes in. Give that a quick stir. And now I'll start adding this Gorgonzola cheese. We had to search for a few other places. Not gonna go crazy. You know what? I am gonna go crazy. It's supposed to be cheesy.
Make up your mind. Gonna go crazy or not?
And I'll give that a quick stir. Let that all melt, incorporate, and wait for our pasta to be ready. And while we're here, I'll go ahead and add in first our Italian grinder seasoning. Some really cooking here. Some black pepper. And I'll wait to add the salt. But that's what I'm sticking with right now. Let that simmer while the pasta gets ready. And it already smells
Delicious.
Thought you weren't hungry.
That smells good.
So our sauce is coming along. I'm just literally waiting for the pasta. I'm going to check to see the seasoning. See if we're short on salt or cheese. It's delicious. You know what? Just a little bit of salt. It's not even a teaspoon of salt.
What?
Yeah, I heard your comment. They'll be able to hear it.
Why I got a microphone now?
Our pasta is coming along and about to put it in here.
Okay.
This is good.
Okay. Let me see.
Hopefully this makes the cut. She's not gonna put it because her head's there. But I like al dente pasta. She likes overcooked mushy pasta.
Not al dente.
Overcooked mushy. I'm gonna take this al dente pasta. You want to see if it's good? Come get one. That's exactly how I like it.
Oh, that's too hard.
So
Too hard for my taste.
I'll go 1 more minute and then I'll start tossing it in here. Pasta's done. And let me show you, let me tell you a little bit about these tricks. I've been letting this simmer. I have not gotten rid of the pasta water. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here with doing a very light draining because this is going to loosen this cheese sauce significantly. So I'll get this in here. I'll toss it a little bit more and let the pasta absorb the cheese sauce, and we'll serve and enjoy. It's a shame Ollie's gone because he would have loved this dish. And stir this up. And that's why I'm keeping that pasta water, because if this gets too tight on me, and this, I'll just add more pasta water, but this is gonna soak up and come in here, and I'll probably get some Parmesan cheese to finish it off, but
Looks good.
it looks good.
Remind me of one pot pasta.
It also reminds me of why I was in the mood for this. What's that pasta we the one that has the peas that we used to get at Buca di Beppo?
Carbonara.
Carbonara. So I wanted the peas in there. We're ready to serve here, guys. Look, what was that, 5 minutes, 6 minutes?
Good.
Took longer to boil the pasta.
Yeah.
Let's see what we're working with. Gonna give myself a nice little serving here. And since we have no more company in house, I can be myself and not be cheap. Gonna finish it with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And we are not pausing for a thumbnail. We're going right in. Should I tell them what time it is that we're eating this?
I know it gotta be good.
I'm happy. The only thing that would make me happier is this. Guys, if you like the video, comment down below if there's anything you want us to try and make. Subscribe for more, and don't forget, don't go to the market hungry, because things like this happen. See you next time, guys.
A buen tiempo.
Oh yeah, a buen tiempo. You wanna try? Come. It's good. Before I put the red pepper flakes, she's trying.
Caliente. It's hot.
Is it good? Literally 6 minutes, guys. See you next time.
This is good.
Taste.
Hey, you ate that quick.
What I say, guys.
Oh no.
It's good, right? See you guys.
It's good.
Te gustó. It's different, right?
Para que no iba a comer.
No, no,